Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. We've got a special video today because I've been inspired by the story that Miss Munro's just read. She read the book Hand a Surprise, which is all about fruit. So I've decided to make a fruit smoothie. So what you need to make my fruit smoothie is 2 bananas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries, some milk, whoopsie, and some glasses to help me measure. Now, you will also need a knife to cut your fruit with. Maybe an adult would like to help you with that if you're not quite ready to cut our fruit up. It's also really important, I've done this just before I've started filming this video, to wash our hands. So, let's get on with the smoothie. So the first thing I'm going to do is peel my banana and place it onto my chopping board. I'm then, with my knife, very carefully going to chop it up into small, ooh, what shape is that like? Circle, that's right. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just so we've got small pieces when they go into the blender. Now I'm going to do my next banana. I'll try and chop this one a little bit quicker. And there we go, that's our banana done. So what I'm going to do now is place my banana very carefully in our blender. And be very careful because blender can be very dangerous if we're not careful. Now if you don't like bananas or strawberries, you can try it with other fruit. Or whatever fruit you've got in at home. A few more bits. There we go, so our banana's in. Now we're going to move on to our strawberries. It's important that we cut off the leaves at the top. And then we can just cut our strawberry down the middle once, and then down the middle again. Okay. And then when each strawberry is done, we can add that into our blender. Down the middle once, and down the middle again. That's 2 strawberries down. This is number 3. On to number 4. Now we're on number 5. One more because this is our last one, number 6. So I'm just adding 2 types of fruit today, banana and strawberry, which are in. And all we need now is to add some milk. Let's count how many glasses I put in. One, and then we're going to do another one. Now you might like yours milky, or you might like it with not so much milk in. It's up to you. So now we've got our 2 glasses in. We can put our lid on our blender. Now if you don't like loud noises, you might want to turn the sound off right now because this blender is going to make a lot of noise. Are we ready? Watch the fruit blend into the milk. milkshake, you can see it's changed colour. You can see all the colour of the fruit have mixed in. That's what we can do now. Put the lid off there. I can pour my smoothie into another glass. And take a sip. Delicious. I can really taste the strawberries. Well, I hope I've inspired you today to make your own smoothie. And maybe if you make one, you can let us know what fruit you put in. See you again soon.